So hi guys, let us discuss this question. Number of ways to split a string. So we have in a question uh, we have a string s. We need to split the string into two non-empty string such that on joining them, on concatenating them, it should equal to s. And the two string, the number of distinct letters in p, the left string and the right string, the two string in which we like, split the main string. So in those two string, the number of unique characters should be equal, right? So let's jump right into the test case which given in the question. So here it is the first test case. The initial string is AACBA. Let's find out uh, how many ways we can split a string such that number of letters in the left and the right are equal, right? Okay. So this is the string. So let us first split at right here. So left string will be this, right string will be this. So in the left string we have only one unique character, that is A. In the right string we have three unique characters which are A, C and B, hence 3, right? So this is not a good split. So let me cross it. The second split will be right here. So left has two character and the right has I know four characters. So number of unique character here is A, which is 1. Here C, A and B, which is 3. So this is not a good split. Let me cancel it as well. Coming to third split, which is AAC at here, and right would be ABA. Number of unique characters are here. This is A and C, which is 2. Here A and B, which is 2. Hence, this is a good split, right? Coming to the fourth split, AACABA. So this has two unique characters, which is A and C, hence 2. Here B and A, which is 2. Hence, it's a good split, right? Uh, Coming at the last split, AACAB. How many unique characters it has? A, C and B, which is 3 and 1. Hence, it's a bad split. So our answer will be 2. So these are the good splits. These are the good split. This one and this one. Hence, answer will be 2. Right? Let's have a look at the second example. So this is the second example given in the test case. So let's split here. Let's split at the first index here. A, B, C, D number of unique letters are A, 1 and 3, which is bad, right? Here A, B and C, D number of unique letters here is 2, here is 2, hence it's good split. Here A, B, C and D 3 and 1, not a good split. Hence the answer should be 1, right? Now let's, so according to the question, the length of the string which they have given as 10 power 5. So whenever you try solving a question, first have a look at its constant which given in the question. So like by even before starting solving the question, you may like come to understand what time complexity solution they are asking for. So in this case, the answer which they're gonna accept will be either of s ln s log s, right, or order of s, or order of s. So we need to come up with a solution of this time complexity to get it accepted, right? So let's first understand how we're gonna do it in order of so let's first think of a brute force solution, brute force solution. And like once we do that brute force solution, we can further optimize it so that it will get accepted, right? So let's have a look at the first test case only, which is AAC ABA. So let's think of a brute force solution. Okay, so let's say uh, we so doing in O n square is certainly easy. You have a two loop, count number of so start from loop from I equal to 1 to I equal to length, count the number of unique characters in the substring 0 to I and substring I plus 1 to end. So this is like sort of easy. You can do it in O n square, but we need to come up with a solution of O n, right? So AB, what was AB, AAC AB. So let me define a array. So let's have an array which stores number of unique character. So let me define an array A. So okay, let us define an array A and array B, where AI stores number of unique characters from 0 to all the way up to I, right? And B, where BI stores number of unique characters from I plus 1 right to end. So if we have these two arrays and if we pre-compute it, then it will be like quite straightforward. We have to find I. We have to find I such that A of I is equal to A of BI plus 1. Since AI will denote number of unique character in the left split, and BI plus 1 will denote number of unique character in the right right split, second split, right? So this will be a cakewalk if we have A and B, right? So according to the question, let us compute A manually, then we will code it. Sorry, the string is A A C B A. Was it this? AACBA, AACAB, AACABA, AACABA. So let me compute the array A. So number of unique character till this index is 1. Here is what is the number of unique character up to this one? That is also 1, right? Up to this one, that is 2. A and C up to this one, it's 2. Up to this one, it's 3, I guess, and up to this one 3, right? Let us calculate B. Let me change the color of pen. So number of unique character from this to this is 1, right? From this to this it's 2. B and A, from this index to right up to the end, that is 2. A and B only. From this to this, I think it's 3. C, A and B, and from this index right to the end is 3 and 3. So since we have A and B, let us loop from I equal to 0 to the uh, up to length of S minus 1. Okay, so if we have to check if A0 is equal to A1, B1, is this a case? No, not a good split. A1 is equal to B2. Is it a case? A1 is equal to B2. A1 is equal to B2. No. A2 is equal to B3. A2 is 2. B3 is 2. I think this will be 2, right? Should not be 3. A2 equal to 2. B3 equal to 3. Hence it's a good split. A3 equal to A4, is it really equal? A3 is this, A4 is this. Yeah, it's a good split, and 2, and hence 2. A4 is equal to B5. A4 is 3, B5 is 1. So no. Hence these are the two acceptable solution. Yeah. So you have to compute A and B and loop through it. And once you do it, you will have a solution. So let's get into code and see how you code this question. Okay, so we have to so first we need to calculate A and B, array A and B. If we calculate that, then solution is quite easy. Okay, let me first calculate the length size of the string. Let me define the array A and B. Let us calculate. Let us first define alpha for L, 26 for the first case, since we have 26 character in our alphabet. Similarly, bull ALPHA alpha right, alpha left and alpha right for n I equal to 0, equal to size I. So let's find what character it is. Let me say it K S I minus A. If it's already visited, K. Okay, first Let me find out what character it is. What is the index of that character in our alphabet? So how we can find it is s of I minus a. If it's already visited, then answer will be alpha l. Sorry. A I is equal to a I minus 1 else a I is equal to a minus 1 plus 1, and we need to turn store true of whichever variable we just visited. Alpha l k is equal to true, right? Similarly, we have to calculate b. Just we need to do it other way around. That's all. Let me copy this code only, and instead of I, let me get it to j. If j is equal to size minus 1, instead of it should be b. Alpha l, it should be alpha, right? It should be ki. This look good. So let us find how many times a is equal to b I plus 1. That's all, I think. Let me check once again if everything is okay. This is good. This is good. This is good. Let me check this solution. Yeah, this should work, I think. This was accepted. Let me submit it. Yeah, it was accepted. Yes, it got accepted. Let me. Yeah, this is the final code. Have a look and let me know if you liked it. I will also try to share the link for the code. And okay, have a nice day.